Blood moon. You've probably heard of it before, but you don't know what actually it is. In this video, we are going to talk about what a blood moon is and how it forms. A blood moon is one of the most breathtaking and mysterious sights you can ever witness in the night sky. A moment when the moon glows not in its usual silver brightness, but in shades of deep orange, copper, or even fiery red, almost as if it has been set ablaze. But despite its dramatic appearance, the blood moon isn't caused by the moon changing color on its own. It is the result of a natural cosmic alignment called a total lunar eclipse. Here's what really happens. During a total lunar eclipse, the Earth moves directly between the sun and the moon. Normally, the sun's light hits the moon and bounces back to us, which is why we see it glowing white. But during this alignment, the Earth blocks that direct sunlight, casting its massive shadow across the moon. At first, it looks like the moon is slowly being swallowed by darkness, as though a giant invisible hand is erasing it from the sky. You might expect it to vanish completely, but instead, something even more magical happens. The moon begins to glow again, this time not bright white, but red. The reason for this lies in Earth's atmosphere. When sunlight passes through our thick atmosphere, shorter wavelengths of light, like blue and green, scatter in different directions. The same process that makes our sky appear blue during the day. But the longer wavelengths, shades of red and orange, bend and slip through the atmosphere, continuing their journey toward the moon. The moon then reflects this filtered light back to us, and that's why it appears blood red. So the blood moon is not a sign of destruction or mystery, as many ancient cultures once believed, but a stunning natural wonder created by the perfect alignment of Earth, sun, and moon, and the way light bends and scatters in our atmosphere. Imagine standing outside on a silent night, watching the silver moon you've always known slowly fade, until the whole sky is dominated by a glowing ember, hanging silently above the world, red and haunting. No wonder people across history feared and worshipped this sight. In ancient times, civilizations did not understand the science of eclipses, so they turned to myths. The Incas believed that a blood moon meant a jaguar was attacking and eating the moon, and they would make loud noises to scare it away. In Mesopotamia, people feared it was a sign that their king was in danger, and they even used substitute kings to protect their rulers during the eclipse. In some parts of Asia, people thought dragons or demons were trying to devour the moon, and they would bang drums or shoot arrows into the sky to chase them away. Even in the Bible and other religious texts, the blood moon was described as a symbol of prophecy or the end of times, which is why even today some people still look at it with a sense of fear and awe. Yet modern science tells us it is nothing more than light, shadows, and timing, but that doesn't take away its beauty. In fact, it makes it even more incredible to know that something as simple as the scattering of light in Earth's atmosphere can turn our familiar moon into a burning red jewel in the sky. And what's more fascinating is that no two blood moons look exactly alike. Sometimes the red is bright and fiery, other times it's darker and almost brownish, and that depends on the condition of Earth's atmosphere at the time. For example, if there are a lot of dust particles, volcanic ash, or pollution in the atmosphere, the moon may appear darker or deeper red. In clear skies, it might glow brighter and more orange. So every blood moon is unique, painted by the invisible brushstrokes of our planet's air. When you think about it, the blood moon is like a cosmic performance, a show where the Earth, the sun, and the moon all play their part.